on a fuel pump on this big old F350. Had to get creative because it's so high. So get some ratchet straps and a piece of wood holding the tank up. Got a cracked lock ring. Hopefully this is high enough to get the pump out. If not, I'll have to take the tank all the way out probably. Here we go. So this truck been sitting for a while, had bad gas in it, took the gas out, and it wasn't getting any fuel pressure, so I suspected, and you could hear the pump running. So I figured the hoses must have broke or something from the bad gas, and sure enough. All right, get the new one in there, get this thing together. Well, it definitely had to come all the way out because I couldn't necessarily get down into there. It locks in down in the fuel tank, so needed 2 hands on it. And I did my best to clean all the junk out of it. Looks like there's another little piece I can grab. Waiting on a lock ring and a fuel hose because this hose was cracked. It's so brittle. And then get it back in there. Well, that took care of it. Got some fuel in it, the fuel pump, new fuel filter, running good.